Alright YouTube, I'm making this video on the fly, and this is going to be a review on this avocado tree that I purchased off Amazon. The seller was Brighter Blooms, and I'm not sure if they're from South Carolina or where exactly, but I ordered this tree on October 26th, 2018, which was a Friday, and it arrived today, which is November 2nd. You see that paper you see flying around in my backyard? That's what this tree came wrapped in. So the reason I'm making this video is because it took 10 days to get here, and I'm looking at the condition of the tree and I'm a little worried, but hopefully everything turns out great. This is a Mexicola Grande avocado tree. It's 3 to 4 feet long, or tall, sorry. That's already been grafted. And you know, being 10 days in a box and shipping being thrown around, there has to be some kind of damage to these trees. My local nurseries here didn't have any avocado trees, and so looking at this, it looks like the top leaves are a little dried out. If you notice on the actual, I guess you call it the bark of the tree, the stem, I don't know if that's sunburn or that's just maturing from the tree. It's a little, it looks kind of woody. This is my first time owning an avocado tree, so I don't know what it's supposed to look like as far as, you know, the stem. But I've seen videos in the past where people say that that's sunburnt. But anyways, if you notice, the stem, or I'm sorry, the piece of wood that's being used to prop this tree up is snapped. That's how it came in shipping. But what's worse is if you follow that, this is where I'm concerned. Let's see if I can get this in a good video. But okay, right here, the bark that grows up, which will normally grow up right there, is snapped. That's concerning because that's where the tree was growing. So if this tree was going to get any bigger, I'm assuming that you know, that might have done it right there. So I'm hoping that that's not the case. I will call Brighter Blooms up and let them know that I received the tree and the condition that it came in. But overall, let me see. I don't want this tree. It's kind of windy out here. 73 degrees out here, and I live in Salinas, California. So we're in the Central Valley, Central Coast. 73. It's a little windy. I don't want this tree falling over. As far as the dirt, I haven't opened the bag down here. It looks like they used a zip tie. All I have is a utility knife. Let me see if I can cut that with one hand. You know what? I'm gonna set the phone down real quick so I don't damage the tree. And so go ahead and take that off. Looks like the way they ship these things is, this is a 3-gallon container. I'm not sure if that's fertilizer or what inside that potting soil mix. I'm trying to get this in the shot. Okay, pull that off. The roots are exposed up here. There is some damage. They're fraying. You see that? So obviously this tree was, you know, hopefully it's okay. I don't know. I haven't watered it. It is a little moist. I know that avocado trees' roots are shallow. So if you look though, there's some leaves there. I'm gonna try not to touch or mess with it too much, but I'm gonna try to pull some of this down here. See if I get a better shot of anything that may be concerning. I'm not sure what this is. There's some solids in here. Maybe this is the dirt. It's a little compacted. Maybe some of the mulch that was probably on top, but it's no longer there. I don't know. So overall, this is what you could probably expect. Like I said, some of the leaves on the top are a little dried out. I don't see any pests. I see little signs of something that might have been feeding on it right there, or maybe that's sunburn, but I saw a few leaves that had some, looked like something was nibbling on it, so I don't know. I'm gonna let this tree, I'm gonna leave it out in the shade tonight, put it indoors in the night. It's getting a little cold out here. I'm gonna try to baby it the next 2 or 3 weeks, make sure that it's gonna have a fighting chance, but I don't know. The biggest concern that I had, like I said, was this right here. I'm gonna probably cut this off clean just because of the fact that there's no point in it just hanging there. It's just extra leaves and damage on the tree that shouldn't be there. So I don't know. That might be detrimental to how this tree ends up turning out. All right, YouTube. Hope this helped. I will do a follow-up video to see what Brighter Bloom recommends, and then also to keep you guys posted on this avocado tree. It is October. Salinas does get pretty cold during the winter, but this is supposed to be a hardy version of it. I'm gonna try to baby it because I know it's, you know, it's a small tree, and sometimes, for the most part, it stays above 50 out here during the winter, but every once in a while we'll get down to 43, 41 degrees. And this is gonna be my attempt of growing an avocado tree. I still haven't decided whether I want to plant it in the ground, or if I'm actually building a few large containers, like wooden box containers for some trees. So like I said, I don't know what this tag says. It says avocado cold hardy, but yeah. All right, YouTube, looks like I'll be making a phone call right now. I'll let you guys go about your day, and hopefully this tree will make it.